Hello mga ka-vlog and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, kakaibang video ang gagawin natin because magta-try tayo ng chicken fillet na bagong offer dito sa Jollibee. So ito yung chicken fillet na may tomato sauce and yung sour and cream. So if you're ready, let's try it. Na natin i-try. Ito yung tomato sauce. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung lasa niya, guys. So, yun, guys. Masarap siya. Yung lasa ng chicken, niti-niti. Plus, nag-blend yung sauce ng tomato. Masarap siya. So, nagiging manamis-namis na may na parang sweet and sour ang dating, guys. Masarap. So, tikman natin pa mo. Okay. So, ngayon, itatry naman natin itong chicken fillet with sour and cream. Tikman natin kung mas masarap ba siya sa tomato sauce or mas masarap yung tomato sauce. So, let's try it. So, kakaiba talaga, guys, yung lasa niya sa tomato sauce. So, masarap din. Pero, syempre, parang creamy siya. So, that's yung meatier yung chicken. So, parang nagiging meatier and creamier siya. So, masarap din. So, let's try pa more.
Happy is the perfect word to describe how I feel.
So, alright guys, that's all for today. And if you like something sour and cream, so I think magustuhan niyo si pepper and cream. But if prefer nyo naman something sweet, so I recommend si tomato sauce. But for me, I prefer something sweet, so nagustuhan ko si chicken fillet tomato sauce. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Please do hit the like, share, and subscribe button for more fun food taste. Bye!
Again, this is Sasuka, not an expert, but just want to share.